Okay, welcome to the class once again. So how do you use Canva design once again? How do we access it? If you are using your phone to design, you have to go to where we call Play Store. Where is Play Store? Play Store is an app that you can use to download game, especially if you are using Android. So just search the word Canva. You are going to be using your mommy's phone, your daddy's phone, any of those phones at home. So this, okay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so I will open. So this is Canva design. Let me go to the home page. This is how Canva design actually looks like. If you are using a PC, you don't need, what's PC? Personal computer or a desktop.
I use PC and Android.
Okay, can you do this? No noise. If you are using a PC, which is a personal computer, you are to go to your Google Chrome and search the word canva.com. What did I call it? Canva.com. So canva.com is what we use on our laptop. This is canva.com as a laptop. So if you are using it, just sign in. Just sign in if you are using your no, I'm talking about PC. I'm working as if I'm on PC right now. So this is for PC. So this is how your laptop will look like if you are using your PC. But if you are using your phone, this is how it will look like. So I'm using phone for now. So what do? We are clicking on create. When you click on create, we are using a size called 1080 by 1080 ps, and that size is Instagram post. This is Instagram post over here. So I click on it. When I click on it, this is where I'm going to be designing everything I want to design. So what I said, we are going to be designing Independence Day activity, and the title of your Independence Day design is Festival. Year 5 New Zealand is designing, is it? No, yours is not Festival. Your class is Past Europe. Year 6 is working on Festival. You know, we have different kind of festival in Nigeria. So let me show you the one Year 6 design, Year 5 design so far. The one they just finished designing not quite long. They use a man called Nnamdi Azikiwe. Where is the man again? Nnamdi Azikiwe was used, and also Obafemi Awolowo. So this is the one of. Can you see the man down below? It is transparent. This is who? This is Obafemi Awolowo, the man in the 100 naira note. And what we did, we designed the first poster, and the second one we have to write the history of the man on it. So that is what we are doing. So let's go back to the beginning. When you go to the home page, what's the first step again? We click on what? Create design. And what is the size we are using?
Instagram post.
Thank you. So when I click on Instagram post, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to elements. Where's elements? Element is here. And there are so many other things there. So when I click on element, I will search the word Nigerian flag. So when I search the word Nigerian flag, there are so many flags there. If your parents decided to pay for Canva, very good. But if you don't pay, you need to look for free one to use there. There are free stuffs to use. So I'm going to be using this. I will size it to my. Ma? This one, no. You can use another type of flag. You can use the coat of arm and more. Let me also see other things I can add to this. The Nigerian coat of arm, very important because it also signifies Nigeria. Then what other thing do I need from this part? I make it tiny to just make sure that it stick down there. And what other thing do I need? We don't need Canadian flag, no. So I am done now with this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to now go and search on Google Chrome. I will go back and come to Chrome. This is Chrome browser. I will search on Chrome browser one of the past hero, google.com. Can somebody remind me any of the past hero? We have used in Abiazikwe, we have used Obafemi Awolowo. Let's use the man from the north called I forgot the name. Can somebody please remind me? Tafawa Balewa. Tafawa Balewa. So Tafawa Balewa, we search for the picture, and then here we are, Tafawa Balewa. Or let's search. Let's see whether we can see Tafawa Balewa on Canva. Let's go back to Canva. Let's search Tafawa Balewa on Canva. Yes, Tafawa Balewa. The one on what? The 5 naira note. So, is this 5 naira or 10 naira? This is 5 naira.
There's something called 5 naira.
There is.
Did you not know? You not know.
So look what I size the 5 naira note in between the white. Then after that, I click on it. I want to make it transparent. How do you make it transparent? I'm going to click on these 3 dots. I'm going to click on that 3 dots. 3 dots, and this is the word transparent. This sign you are seeing up there. I'll click on it, then I will now shift it backward. You see that it's getting transparent. I like it like this. Okay, it's okay like this. So it's showing green, white, green, showing our past hero Tafawa Balewa as the white in between. Then what are we doing now? We are now going to add the title and the what? The title and the what? And the Happy Anniversary Nigeria, or Happy Birthday Nigeria, or Happy Independence Day Nigeria, or any other word you want to use. I'm going to be using Happy Independence Day. So where am I going to come this time? I'm going to click on text. Text. When I click on text, I will now use the word add heading. Let me write the word happy.
Happy birthday,
Happy. I make it bold. I want to make it uppercase. That is capital letter. I'll click on the 3 dots again, and there is after the U. What's there? The letters. So I turn it to uppercase like that, and I change the font. If I click on this part, this is where to change the font. So I will change the font from here to something very bold, or let me use Anonymous Pro. Then now I can go to the heading again and add the word 61 text. I mean.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. What is it, John? Whoa. This is you.
61st. Yes, that means we still have the ST. So how do we add the ST? We can duplicate this happy. Let me look for the duplicate. I can't find it. It's not there. But what we just do is to now click on add heading. Add heading. Then we now write ST.
ST is too small. Too small. Increase in size. Size increasing. And it's too bad.
We are still going to work on the color. Just leave it for now. Then the last one is the independence. Then I click on the heading again in the pendants. Pendants. That is the right word.
It's too deep.
Then I want to change it to uppercase. Uppercase. We are going to see it now. Now, I want to change the color. The first one, the happy. I can click on the 3 dots and add effects. The happy. Let's make the happy.
Neon will make it glow.
Glue. Then
Yeah.
they will now change the color to green. Then if you use neon, we change the color to green. Yes.
Then you change the 61 to the color of the
Then 61.
Change it to white.
Let's change it to, let's see green. Is green fine? Is white fine?
Yeah, white looks good. Yeah.
I think white looks good. Then let's add effects. Let's add effect to that white. Let's see. Should we use these? No. None. It's okay. You know, it is my design. So the ST, let's make it white. Then the independence. Let's see what we are going to do to independence. I'm going to, let me first change the font. Let me change the font to something very bold. White purple when we are using green. Okay, the independence lookup. I go to the word 3 dots. I click on effect. I come down and I click on curve. Curve. Wait. Under the curve, this part, if you look at this, there is an arrow here. I will shift the arrow backward now. Backward. There's somebody said we should make it white. Remember the theme is green, white, green. We must not go out of green, white, green to make it catchy. Which one is green? If we make it green, the only thing you can also do is to let me show you this another type of design. Now look at this. I can change the DEPENDEN to green, while the other one will now be white. Let's see how we can do that. Yes. Let me first duplicate. Paste. Okay, so let me just do this. Let me remove this one will be what? Will be white. Then what's the next thing I'm adding to it now? Okay, so I'll go to the word text, high end. I make it uppercase.
I thought the dependent was going to be green because put it in light. Put it in white. No, green. Put it in white because if you put it in green, it should not show.
Think.
Yeah. So put it in light green. Or light green. Yes. Light green.
Let's make this white. Why this will now be green?
No. Yes. Oh yeah, that's better.
Then what's the next letter? C. Then uppercase. I want to change the font. I change the font. Then I will now make it what? White. So check it out. Happy 61st Independence. Remaining day.
White. Plain old white. No, not white.
Uppercase.
White.
No, sorry, uppercase.
Nigeria, not
And anonymous. Color. Green.
What?
Now, what's the next page? The next page, just click on the plus button, the plus. And when you click on this plus, go to the elements and bring that, the picture of who again? And make it occupy the whole of the space. Then after this, you make it transparent.
So we should do two. Oh, can you do click?
The second page, we are going to write the history of this man on it. Tafawa Balewa. So you are writing the history. The first page, you are designing the poster. The second page, you are writing the what? The history of Tafawa Balewa on this. Now, how do you save it? To save, click on this part. I click, then you click on Save As. You click on it again. Click on the word Save As, not Save As Image. Then it is written there PNG. That's the best way to save it. Then download. Then the moment you download it, it will be on your phone. It has downloaded right now. Then you will now send it to your teacher via WhatsApp. You send it to your teacher via WhatsApp. So this is what you are going to be doing. This is what you are going to do for me